sir, straight meeting.
Like we don't see what.
That's right.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Rafael, today, and what are we doing here today?
Yes, we are very happy to be in Mumbai today to launch the new Duster Petrol and Duster Petrol CVT, which is adding two new variants to the successful range of Duster. You know that Renault Duster has sold already 1.6 lakh units in India. We have 1.6 lakh happy customers. And yes, we wanted to add to this success new variants, the new petrol engine and the new petrol CVT engine, which is adding much convenience and ergonomy to the driving for Duster, especially in big cities like Mumbai, where it's so convenient to have a CVT. Now, these customers wanting this kind of driving in Duster will be very satisfied because we have a very, very efficient and fuel-efficient variant with a new Duster Petrol CVT.
Okay, Mr. Jairaj, what would you like to add?
We are expecting a good number of orders for this new petrol vehicles, especially in Duster. And we hope this is suitable for Bombay because the automatic transmission is good for Bombay. There is a lot of traffic jams where we can use this.
So how you see the Indian market for the automobile industry? How you see your company?
Today, you know, we are mainly here to present the new variants, so I would like to limit our presentation to this topic. We are having a lot of evolution in the product range. We have launched recently the new Kwid Climber, Renault Kwid Climber, which is only 2 months old, and now very happy to launch this new variant of CVT, which was expected by the market. We had a lot of customers asking us, when are you launching CVT variants? And now we are launching a very efficient CVT variant. Very smooth to drive, very efficient, with a lot of power. And the first reaction we have from the very first customers are very, very happy customers because they said it is exactly what they wanted for Duster. So we hope and we are convinced that we'll have a lot of success in Mumbai, and we are welcoming all possible customers to come and to test drive the car as soon as possible. Thank you.
Anything else you want to ask?
So can you tell us about regarding how friendly you are giving environment for the customers' purpose?
We are always, Renault is always welcome for customers. We are renowned for that. And we got a separate team for the test drives. We call finance arrangements here. And we are happy to serve the customers in Bombay. And this is a suitable car for Bombay.
So although these guys have the press release, but just want to ask you from you quickly, what's this CVT, what's this exactly it's going to benefit, the new model?
The new model is about automatic drive. It's a CVT. It's you don't have you don't have gearbox. It's an automatic gearbox. So in a city, it's mean very fluent driving because you don't have to use the clutch. You don't just have to press the accelerator. So for drivers and customers wanting a smooth driving, very comfortable driving, it's very suitable. And you have all the power of the engine and not the inconvenience of giving the gears all the time. So it's very efficient, very ergonomic, and very pleasant to drive.
How have you priced this particular model, the new one?
It's a very interesting pricing, very competitive pricing. We are starting at 8.49 for the petrol and 10.32 lakhs extra room daily for the petrol CVT.
So do you think the Indian policy are friendly for doing a business in India?
You know, today it's about only Duster Petrol, CVT and Duster Petrol. So I would like to stay on this topic, please. Thank you.
Is it especially designed keeping in mind the Indian traffic and the roads?
Sure. You know, Renault is having a design center in India, not even one, two design centers. One in Mumbai, one in Chennai, which is one of a few countries in the world where Renault has two design centers on top of a plant plus an engineering center. And we are constantly looking at the needs of customers in India to develop products adapted to the needs. Kwid, for example, have been developed completely in India with a very important ground clearance, 180 millimeters, big boot space, big interior space, a lot of innovation, a lot of design attractiveness, and a good price also. This car is very affordable. This is typically a car designed for Indian customers and made also for the world, because the car will be very soon launched in South America also. The same for Duster. Duster has been Indianized with a lot of specificity made for India, including the ground clearance. And it's the same also for Logi, for example, which is a car which is fully adapted for the Indian market. And it will continue like this in the future because Renault brand is here to grow and grow further in the market, to take more importance in the market. We are not for nothing the fastest growing brand, and will continue to have a very good footprint in the market with design products and engineering products for the Indian markets.
So Mumbai is the first city like you guys have launched this particular model, or?
Petrol and Petrol CVT on Duster are launched right now all over India, but it's the first presentation to the press we're doing, yes.
Okay, okay. So you'll be from now onwards, you'll be traveling to various other cities also?
Oh yeah, we're traveling constantly right now.
Which is the next one?
We'll be in Chennai very soon, and then Cochin, and then we'll continue.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Sit where?
Sir, driving seat here.
So once sun is done, then we can
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Okay, you got it? Okay, guys. I guess you have enough now.
Come on, look.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
सर पहले आप अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कीजिए और किस तरह का एक प्रोडक्ट है कुछ इसके बारे में स्टार्ट
ओपन बेकार लग रहा है
स्टार्ट ये बोल देना आप मैं
Start. Kishan, give them.
So first you introduce yourself, your name, and how this new company is about regarding this features of our product.
Hi, first of all, good evening everyone. Myself Altamash, I'm a senior sales consultant over here, and the new duster which is we have launched today, which is CVT, which comes in the RXS variant, and we have come up with the new 13 features in the RXS, which is like I'll show you by one by like. First of all, we have changed some exterior changes, like we have changed the front grille, which is shiny black. Then we have come up with we have changed the electronic duster. We have put the duster decal on that. Then we have come up with a new ORVMs, which is cubic print with electronic foldable with and turn indicators. And if you see in the interior, we have come up with a new like interior of the all-wheel drive. City Doctor Pavilion, and in the Duster RXS we have come up, there are dual airbags as well as the 7-inch touchscreen media navigation touchscreen, in which radio FM, media, phone media, USB, radio FM, and the best part of the car, we have four power windows with central lock and keyless entry, and the best part of this CVT is like a better fuel efficiency. And if you see the interior over here, like it's a black as well as the red interior finishing. As you see in the car, like we have given backside charging slot over here.
Okay. Basically, you did a modification of your old car into new
upgraded version.
Upgradation of technology
Yes,
you did.
Yes.
Okay.
And if you see in the RXS variant, we have come up with a 16-inch gunmetal alloy wheels. Then we have to go backside of the car.
Okay. Come.
एक मिनट
Take on ambience ना.
एक मिनट दिखा एम्बियंस करना
The Xtronic, which is over the sticker over here, and the decal duster with our duster embossed finishing.
Okay. And
The waterfall LED tail lamps, which comes in the duster variant from standard variant.
okay. And apart from this, what you have did a new thing?
In this, like we have new done, like in RXS variant, we have given ESP, electronic stability program, which helps your car to prevent, like to keep the car stability. As well as we have given in the CVT a hill assist, which holds your car to roll back for 2 seconds.
Okay. And what kind of engines you have right now?
In Duster RXS, we have come up with a 1.5 engine, which is multi-fuel injections.
Okay. And how the fuel is efficiency?
Like whenever you're driving the car, like once you keep the car in the mode of the drive, as well as in I have 2 modes also in the manual also. Basically, if you keep the car in the M mode and you just accelerate, this is a CVT, which means continuous variable transmission. Whenever you get exceed the car, it automatically turns off.
Okay.
You just have to go.
And for emergency time, if anything happen, so what customers do?
Basically, EBD plus brake assist, which like whenever you're driving high, like above 100, and you just brake the car, so it automatically holds your car and controls your car by ESP as well as electronic brake distribution, which distributes in all the 4 wheels. So.
Okay, and sometimes we have seen automatically get door close automatically.
Yes.
Lock get.
Yes, that is speed sensing. After 10, like once you accelerate and the speed goes around after 10, the doors automatically lock from inside outside.
Okay.
And once like whenever you're driving and some cars will impact you, the door, all the 4 doors will be unlocked from outside as well as inside.